Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to fill down values in Power Query. So let's start. So I have some Excel data where the values are missing in the column. I want to fill down this category, okay? So first select the any cell in your data and press the Ctrl T to convert this into a table. Okay, you can see the create table dialog box is open. Click on OK to convert in table. Okay, after that, go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data option. Then click on the from other sources. Then click on the from table and range. Okay, and the Power Query editor will open. Okay, and you can see that the column has some blank cell. To fill down, just select the column. Okay, fill down, just select the column. Go to the transform. In any column group, click on the fill option and click on the down, and that's it. Here you can see now all blank cell are filled with the category name as same as above mentioned. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.